Labor rights and exploitation in a capitalist world. Labor rights are the fundamental rights that every worker should have. These include fair wages, safe working conditions, reasonable working hours, and the right to unionize. However, under capitalism, these rights are often compromised in the pursuit of profit. Sweatshops in developing countries and the gig economy in developed nations are examples of this. Multinational corporations outsource labor to cut costs, while gig workers often lack basic labor rights. Unions have historically been the strongest defenders of labor rights. By organizing collectively, workers can demand better wages, safer working conditions, and more reasonable hours. However, union-busting tactics by corporations and restrictive labor laws have weakened unions' power in many places. What can we do to improve labor rights in a capitalist world? Firstly, we must support and strengthen unions. Secondly, we need to advocate for policies that protect workers. As consumers, we can also make a difference by supporting fair trade products and companies that prioritize labor ethics. By supporting unions, advocating for fair policies, and making conscious consumer choices, we can create a more equitable world where labor rights are respected. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe.